welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring this Syazam to grooming. His first time grooming. So the location is actually at Geylang Serai. If I'm not wrong, I'm not sure where's the place is, but yeah, going to go for his first ever grooming. He seems anxious, scared, everything. Say hello, Syazam. Say hello to everyone. And he doesn't even want to bother. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope I can take more videos over there. Then yeah, enjoy the video. Bye. Okay, so now actually I'm at home after 2 hours of cleaning, bathing for that boy over there. See? Yeah, so I will show you the video of his grooming, but it's not recorded by me. Yeah, enjoy the video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.